Let's go over 6 things I regret not buying sooner for my camera. In this video, I'm going to talk about things that I put off for way too long, and I finally took the plunge to purchase them, and I have never regretted it ever since. See, the first thing is on this camera here, and I also have it for all my other cameras. It's this Peak Design clip. If you're a camera head, you've probably already seen this a few times. See, this just makes it so much easier to clip on this strap right here and to clip on straps on your camera and to get it off again. The second thing I regret not buying any sooner, I put this off for way too long, is an ND filler. I have an ND filler on that camera, and I also have lots more ND fillers in my drawers. There's a tip here: buy bigger ND fillers than you need, then you can use step-up rings instead of doing like me, and I have like 7 ND fillers now, and that's really expensive. If you like this video, consider subscribing. It will help me a lot more than you will ever know. The third thing on my list I regret not buying sooner is proper quick release plates like these from Falcam Quick Release, and you can also get them from Peak Design. It's Arca Swiss standard design plates that fits on my tripod over here, and it comes with this little plate that I can mount on anything that I want to, so I can quick release all of my cameras and all other sort of other gears. I also use them for some smaller lights and microphones as well. Fourth thing I regret not buying sooner is faster SD cards. I have these now. These are V90 cards from Kingston. I love Kingston cards. I know some say that they are not great cards, but I love them and I use them all the time. For a long time, they haven't been needed for me because I was not shooting 4K video. I was just taking photos. But getting faster cards is not only for like recording 4K and faster photography. It also just for quicker unloading of your cards. The fifth thing I regret not doing sooner is getting a proper full frame camera like this one, and actually switching to Sony E-mount for all my cameras. Before I had a mix of Blackmagic and Sony. Now I have switched everything to Sony and sold all my Blackmagic gear. The sixth thing on my list I regret not getting sooner is a small tripod that I can use at home on my off, so I can set it up immediately every time I want to shoot from a different angle. If you're interested in camera gear, then watch these 10 accessories that I simply cannot live without for under $25. I hope you liked the video. See you in the comments.